The water that's coming down Pennsylvania Avenue right now looks much tame compared to what it did overnight. Neighbors said it looked more like a river, so much that it was too much for this drain to handle. Therefore, it went down this driveway, flooding out the basement and garage.
It came right up to here.
This is not what Ryan Hornick expected to see when he noticed the lights were out in a single room of his home.
I came down to do this, hit the circuit because I thought it was the circuit, and I noticed there was a lot of water in my basement.
Water, and a lot of it rushing into his home after a 6-inch water line broke on his street. At one point, up to 4 feet of water sat in his basement.
I was just trying to get stuff unplugged, turning off the water heater as fast as I could, and just make sure that everything was going to be safe.
You can see that water line against his refrigerator, boxes scattered throughout his basement and garage.
I was taking stuff from that room in there out to the garage and stuff from the garage into that room. And it was like a little whirlpool or something.
Fire officials pumped out some water, but a big mess is still left behind. While Hampton-Shaler Water Authority officials fixed the damaged line, Hornick is staying positive.
All in all, I was pretty lucky. It could have been worse, and it wasn't. So I think I caught it enough time.
Water officials tell me that about 10 customers are affected by the break. They said they'll be out here most of the day making repairs. Reporting in Shaler, Caitlin Sykes, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.